Hey guys, welcome back to Minecraft. I did some stuff. I lost a video and everything. It's a dead video. Like I said, like the third episode, I think is. Okay, there we go. We got this horse. We got some nether warts. Let me show you guys that. Here, I think we got some nether wart in that episode. I forget. Okay, this is just so annoying. Subject pressure plates are annoying. They're not responding to your actions. We got a horse. It's pretty good. I think it's a good horse. Look at this. Yeah. Okay, why is it lagging so badly right now? Okay, let me put you on this lead. There you go. You get to get attached to there. I'm gonna put this fence post. I was gonna end the video. Blew up one of my horses, a creeper. Just snuck up behind me. They blew up my whole little thing over here that I had. So yeah, I got a horse. I'm really sorry you didn't get to see that, but I did get some horse armor. I found a nether fortress. That's what I was forgetting. Well, obviously you have to find another fortress to get the wart, but I did not find the part with the wart yet. I just found some nether wart in a chest, but I'm gonna start brewing soon. Do I have any blaze rods? I knew I killed like a blaze or two. Yes, I got 2 blaze rods. Okay, now I gotta check the crafting. And I forget the crafting recipe for a brewing stand, but we're not gonna make that today. Let's go mining with an ultra pick. Thank you, Mr. Flexi. Actually, we should go get another one of those. Just in case. Oh wait, Christmas actually passed. So she might have removed it. Oh cool. What is this? No. Oh, oh yes. We are so winning this. Kill the wither. Oh my God, this is gonna be good. Oh, yeah, we already have our rod. And just to be nice, I think we're gonna want to do, just to make it good, we're not gonna keep the items, except for the nether star. I did say in the last episode that I would like for us to defeat the wither soon, because I just thought of it in the nether. Just random. I think I'm gonna TP. No, I'm not gonna TP. I'm not gonna TP. That's no. I really want to TP though. Yeah, me.tp is like the hardest thing ever. TP, just... Okay, let me just fly over there. Alright, we did it. We did it. Ow. That hurt. Alright, let's do this. We did collect some soul sand, or we going over there, but whatever. I don't know if Flexi actually knows if this is it, but... Hello? Wither? Then why is the wither not working? Okay, wait a second, I gotta disconnect. This happens. Wait, what do I have to do then? This is how you make a wither. I don't want to have to do that. Oh, this guy's scary. I really don't want to get affected for doing that. Ha! I hit him. I hit him. Hey, no! Chase me! Chase me! Wither! Mr. Wither! Come back here! Target me! Come on, target me, man! Dude, this guy is really damaging me. Seems like I'm basically mortal to Wither. Maybe it's because I'm on easy. This happens to you, don't you? Man, the withers got very nice at all. What's it doing? What's it doing? Hey, I just killed that thing. I just killed that thing. Oh. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, that was awesome. I love that. Okay, I really needed to check out there. I don't know why she actually thought that I was gonna go, oh, if I have to fight another one because of the lag, be bad. I'm gonna be very bad. Well, if this didn't happen now, you wanted it to. Flexi, I'm sorry, you just had to summon it. Like, the blocks weren't working. It was really bad. It just wasn't working. I couldn't summon it. And okay, wait. This is check the game rule. Inventory, true. Flash. There we go. Oh, shoot. Not like Spider-Man there. Okay, why is the lag on this so bad? Hey, Horsey, we did it! Pat on the back. Hate that sound. Next thing you know, we're gonna be heading to defeat the Ender Dragon. Alright. Well, while we have... Well, we're only allowed to have this stuff for one episode, so... Let's go. By the way, guys, Happy New Year's. Sorry I didn't get to record. A lot of stuff going on. By the way, a way to get free obsidian is by chipping away at the edge of the nether portals right here, because it automatically makes it so it like gives you free obsidian. So I think it's a cool little trick. Tip slash whatever you want. The ghasts, they can kill you. Like ghasts. Yeah, these are your free though, that's good. Well, I think I'm just gonna exit this. Alright, Horsey. Oh, shoot. I don't know why it was spoiling me. Flexi spoiling me like this. There's a bundle. Can't talk. Hey guys, that's the guy who can't talk. Yeah, I've heard all about this guy. Can't talk. That's exactly what I just said, but... Oh wait, stop. Okay, just getting confused now. So funny. Maybe I'll keep some of you. Oh shoot, not another creeper. Die! Good. What? I just got gunpowder from killing one creeper. That's awesome. Amazing. That's crazy. Oh, give me some sand. Okay, I really don't like a shovel. Another sand, another sand, another sand. Yeah, dirt takes a long time to go up. Wait, what am I doing? What did I need to... Oh, yeah, TNT. I think this is how the recipe goes. Like this. Then gunpowder around like that. Okay, so the other way. What? What am I doing? Oh yeah. Okay. So it's like this, 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 and this. And this. Oops. Then this, and this equals 1 TNT. Well, this. Yes. Do I have any sand in my chests? Oh, that's annoying. I'll just put this in a chest. This chest, I guess. Well, we should build something like this. Just where we look for loots every day. She didn't want us getting duplicates, so she put it in the chest. Actually, she probably didn't. For the other stuff, she probably didn't even. She probably used enchant for it. Oh, she's funny. Ooh, we're gonna make quartz blocks. Wait, that's a, oh yeah, it's 4. It's 4 quartz. It's a lot easier to make. Bam! 16 quartz blocks right there. 38, let's see how much that is. Okay. That is 25 with 2 extra. Alright, 25 quartz blocks. That's a lot of quartz. I love you, Mr. Ender Chest. I think I'm gonna put a TNT like right in the middle. Awesome. I remember when like gunpowder and really mob dropped at all were rare because I was like a noob and that's Santa's hood. I'm getting off topic here. Okay. Put this in here. Put this. Where is iron in here? Now, I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I gotta change my graphics to reduce lag. I want to get back to pretty cool. I kind of like Quake Pro better than the other stuff. Okay, I didn't eat. I'm gonna like build a stable for a bunch of horses that I collect. Like, I'm probably gonna collect a bunch more horses when I'm off camera. It's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna do it. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this. I'm just gonna collect this and see what I can do with it. How do you make a beacon? I forget! Ugh, shit. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, what are you doing? Stay calm. I'm like gonna be converting everything to blocks. Everything that can be made into blocks, I'm gonna convert into blocks because it's easier. Well, maybe not like coal because I like my coal separate. Well, actually, what? Who cares? We'll just do it. Not bad. Not bad. Anyway, could have made cool ladies there. I think making everything into blocks is going to make our space a lot better. Maybe even making the netherrack into bricks. Getting rid of some of that dumb horse armors. Well, actually, I like horse armor because I get to put it on my horse. And if I want to collect some more horses, I'm going to tame them and get them back to the base here. Oh, I got a rabbit to fit. I'm lucky. Oh, tired too. Oh, we gotta get to do there. I want to get a silk touch pickaxe. Oh yeah, we got the energies last episode. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a like. If you want to see more videos, subscribe. I'll try to get some more out. First time watching, of course subscribe like I just said, because you obviously want to see more videos coming on. Awesome, right? I hope I'm right. Anyway, yeah, comment to just say stuff to me and to the world out here. In my video, yeah, that's basically what it does. So guys, yeah, the Valorant apprentices and your master is